these 5 foods for thought. Number 1, there is a difference between an attorney and a lawyer. What one might call a constitutional lawyer, as there really is no other kind. He is also called a layman or lawman. 2, an attorney carries a bar membership card as a member of the Barristers Association Club, which gives them privilege to practice law as an apprentice. 3, attorneys speak for those who cannot speak for themselves, originally for fictions, corporations. When it was discovered the general people were ignorant of law, it became a profitable practice to offer the attorney of the court onto the easy marks. Number 4, attorneys are officers of the court with civil duty as well. However, you may want to consider their loyalty to you, or is it to the court, of which makes it easy to deceive you because you don't know. 5, way too much power has been given to attorneys out of ignorance of the law, which leads to vulnerabilities to your detriment. Impropria persona, in one's own proper person. It is a rule in pleading that pleas to the jurisdiction of the court must be pled in propria persona, because if pleaded by attorneys, they admit the jurisdiction, as an attorney is an officer of the court, and he is presumed to plead after having obtained leave, which admits the jurisdiction of the court. In some jurisdictions, however, this rule is no longer recognized. And that is because you need to recognize what jurisdiction or venue or meeting room that you call a court that you are in. Definitions of counsels. Solicitor, one who petitions, initiates for another in a court matter. Counselor, one who advises another concerning a court matter. Lawyer, one learnt in the law to advise in a court. Barrister, one who is privileged to plead at the bar. Advocate, one who pleads within the bar for a defendant. Attorney, one who transfers or assigns within the bar another's rights and property, acting on behalf of the ruling crown or government. So it is very clear that an attorney is not a lawyer. The lawyer is a learned counselor who advises. The ruling government appoints an attorney as one who transfers rights, allegiances, and title to the land, to the government. If you understand this or understand this, then you can begin to absolutely go to the Zodiac Constitution, Article 7, and absolutely exercise that with full understanding of it. And you will not need an attorney nor a lawyer, because you are the lawman yourself, and you understand what the jurisdiction and what your divine rights are. So if you are and have come into this information without knowledge of many things, you cannot just jump right in until you clear out and have full understanding of what is and what is not. Many really do have to have an exorcism of the indoctrination so that they can have the baptism of the true and divine information and have a place to put it, so they in their head, in their brain, so they don't go to sleep while trying to compute it, while trying to accept it while computing it. And you will know why you are the I am and why you affirm and trust that you will receive it for what it is. Islam. For more information on the establishment of the bar, crossing the bar, and capitis deminutio, obtain our civic digital recorded class number 9 on RVBeypublications.com.